Welcome to another class of the English course for restaurant workers. Welcome. In this class, we're going to do another exercise with verbs and nouns. First, we have a couple of verbs, and then we have some nouns with the parts of the body. And we're going to do it all in English. So first things first. Let's read the instructions. Ready? Find one word from the key vocabulary list that can replace each underlined phrase in the sentences below. Let's review. We have an example. At a restaurant, people usually order a light dish to begin with, and then the main course. A light dish to begin with is a light dish. The starter. Good? Number one, the person who invited the others. The person who invited the others ordered 2 bottles of red wine. The person who invited the others. Here's the vocabulary list. It's a person. Bucket, edge, female. Oh, female is the person. First course, the host. The host. The host is person who invited the others. The host ordered 2 bottles of red wine. The host. So in your notebook, organize the vocabulary with the definition. Number 1, starter is a light dish to begin with. The person who invited the others is the host. Number 2, the waitress looked a second time at her food. The waitress looked a second time. Number 2, look a second time. Look, this is a verb, correct? Verb, look. Look at. Let's go to the list. We have the list here in the material. You have the vocabulary list, the key vocabulary. Here are the verbs. Verbs to announce, to care, second time, double check. Double check. That's the verb. Double check. The waitress double checked her food order to make sure it was correct. Organize the vocabulary in your notebook. We have starter, We have the host is a person who invited the others. Look a second time. Look a second time. Double check. To double check. Number 3. She called out the name of the meal as she served it to the guest. She called out. Oh, another verb. Let's go to the list. Look at the verbs. Call out the name of the meal. Oh, number 1, announce. Announcement. Call out. Call out. Announce. To announce. There we go. Easy. That's how you do these exercises in the course Restaurant for English Workers, so you can have more vocabulary in your English. Call out, announce. To announce. She announced the meal as she served it. She announced. Practice these examples. All the vocabulary here is used in the restaurant. Number 4. The guest covered her glass to show that she did not want more wine. Covered her glass. The guest covered. So we need another action. Verbs. This is a verb. Covered. Let's go look at the list. Here's the list. Ban, announce, care for, indicate, make sure, pick up, refill, set down, slide. She doesn't want any more wine. She wants to indicate. Correct? Indicate. The guest indicated that she did not want more wine. Indicate. To indicate you don't want more wine in a restaurant, you cover the glass. You cover the glass. To show means to indicate. So here we have the other action, indicate equals to show. So we go to the list and find the verb. To show is to indicate. What is the action that indicates? The cover. Correct? Number 5. She pours some wine into. Pour some wine into the half-empty glasses on the table. Half empty. Pour the wine in the half empty. Let's look at the actions here. Top it up. She topped up the wine glasses. Okay, we got some wine vocabulary. She topped up. Which means when you pour the wine into the half-empty glasses, you have the glass like this. Oh, glass. And you want to top it up all the way to the top. See, that's the top. And this is an action. Top, top. Topped up. Top it up, please. Now let's practice the vocabulary. Host. The person who invited the others is the host in the restaurants with the guest. Next, double check. Which is look a second time. Double check. Let's double check our answers. Look a second time. Double check. Announce. Call out. Call out. Announce the name. Call out the name. Indicate. To show. To show it. To show. To indicate. And to top it up is pour wine into half empty. Fill it up, top it up to the top. So it's full, 100%, top up. Excellent. Now let's continue. Let's go to the vocabulary for the body. Let's look at the list. Okay, here we have some body parts, right? Body. Bucket? No. Edge? No. Female? No. First course? Host? Knees. The knees. The palm. The shoulder. Right? Knees. Palm of the hand. The shoulders. And the knees. Let's go to the exercise. Here's the body. Let's start with the knees. That's easy. The knees. Number 7, knees. Knees, knees, knees. These parts of the body are super easy. Check out this picture from Google. Just the basic parts. We can probably do this little baby. It looks like a big baby. Ooh, I love this. This company right here has really good pictures. Really good pictures. Let's review. So you can see the waiter here, right? The knees, number 7. And this is the head. We'll go to number 1. Let's go in order. The head. The head. And this is the forehead. Forehead. Just real quick, body parts. The ear, the nose, the lips, and the neck. In the last class, we saw eye contact. You can see right here, the eyes. This is the eyebrows, the cheek, the mouth, and the chin. This is the chest. And this is the arm. And these are the shoulders. We have the arms and the shoulders here in today's exercise. Shoulder. No, this is arm. And number 2, the shoulder. Shoulder. We have 2 shoulders, right? Shoulders. Next, number 3, I think they want the palm. Correct? The palm of the hand. Repeat, the palm of the hand. The palm. And look at this part right here, the thumb. The thumb. This is called the thumb. Thumb. It's pointing right here, number 5. Thumb. And number 6, fingers. You see right here the fingers. And the knee, of course, the knee for number 7. The fingers and the knee. Very basic vocabulary for the body. Just quick, basic review so you can practice. In the next class, we're gonna have some more verbs. Please practice the verbs right here in the key vocabulary and practice the special attention. I'll put the PDF right here on the platform. Excellent.